Hi, Maddie, and all you other silly gooses out there. Guess what time it is? It's time for Grammy Gal's Goodnight Tales. And tonight, we're going to read another story about one of our favorite little monkeys. Grumpy Monkey says no. Oh my. So, let's begin. Chimpanzee woke up feeling grumpy. It was the sort of thing that happened a lot with him. Norman was eating bananas. Want one? Norman asked. Jim loved bananas. Eating a banana might make him feel better. But Jim didn't feel like feeling better. No, said Jim. Tortoise and Marabou were playing tag. Would you like to play with us? They asked. Sometimes Jim liked playing tag. Sometimes he did not. Today was a not day. No, said Jim. The jungle sun was high in the sky. It was making Jim hot and uncomfortable. Jim did not like being hot and uncomfortable. That's no fun, is it? Then he saw Bullfrog enjoying a mud bath. Perfect day for a splash, wouldn't you say? She asked. Jim looked at the cool mud. It sure looked tempting on this hot day. But then he remembered he was grumpy. No, Jim yelled. Norman came up to Jim. Staying grumpy can be a lot of work. Plus, you might miss out on some good stuff. But Jim had already made up his mind to be grumpy. So all he could say was no, 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 no. Jim is so silly. Do you want to stay out there by yourself, Jim? Asked Norman. No! And Jim jumped into the mud bath. How are you feeling? Let's see. Are you nervous? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you silly? Are you grumpy? Are you excited? Are you mad? Are you scared? Or are you bananas? B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas. The end. I hope you enjoyed Grumpy Monkey's day of saying no. I love you. And I hope you have a good night with lots and lots of sweet dreams. Mwah! Night-night.